Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Alexa smart routine triggers after app update. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Alexa app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your Amazon account. Navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select routines from the menu options. Once in the routines section, you will see a list of your existing routines. Choose the routine you want to verify by tapping on it. Check the trigger settings at the top of the routine details. Verify the triggers are still correctly configured after the app update. Ensure that the correct phrase or schedule is set for activation. Tap on each trigger to review its details. If any settings appear incorrect, make necessary adjustments. Next, scroll down to the actions associated with the routine. Review each action to confirm they are correct and complete. After verifying, save any changes you've made. Finally, test the routine by activating it through the designated trigger. Observe if all actions execute as intended. If everything works smoothly, your routine is verified and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.